Hello and welcome to this video demonstrating a tool within the H5P suite. Today I'm going to be looking at something called branching scenario. I have previously mentioned the branching scenario tool in various other iterations, but I wanted to demo today one that is outside of that medical framework. It's a tool that aligns itself really nicely with medical courses, because students on those courses have to make decisions every day, and it's really easy to use. But in other courses you can use them as well. So this one in particular is one from our environmental sciences department. So just a little bit of background. Myself and a lecturer went to the New Forest earlier this year, and we recorded some videos for some students, and it was really engaging. And so what I'm going to show you is what we came up with and what I managed to assemble using the footage that I shot. So the premise here is showing students how to take a peak core sample, and there's various ways of doing it. So the lecturer kind of explains it. So I'm just going to go in now and show you. So the lecturer here is just doing an introduction and telling the students, looking directly at the camera, telling the students what to expect and in the forthcoming videos. And then we move on to the next video.
So the first question we have to ask ourselves is, where are we?
So he's basically just setting the scene now, just showing you what location we're in. So again, that makes it really clear to the students, you know, what's happening. In the next video, this is where the question comes. So what he's asking is essentially, what method are we going to use to take our sample of the peak core? So I'll skip it up a little bit further, and we'll see what it says.
And take a single sample. So have a think. Which do you think will be the most effective for finding the best sedimentary sequence in the landscape behind me?
So here we get our first question. And so we've got these three choices: transect, random, or single sample point. So it's at this point that the student needs to engage, make a decision. Hopefully they will have done some theory work before this, so it won't be just a complete guess. So they'll try and build upon that knowledge that they've learned in the classroom to make a decision here. So I'm just going to pick random and see what happens.
Okay, so you picked B, random sampling. Now there is.
And what I like about this is that the lecturer's speaking directly to the student. So it makes them feel way more engaged and makes them feel like they're actually there in the field with him. And that's really important with these types of resources. So we're trying to foster an active blended learning approach here at the University of Portsmouth. And we've learned some lessons over lockdown where our online content needs to be, you know, high quality and meaningful, so the students are not just passively letting knowledge kind of waft over them. They've got to take actual action on these videos. So I really like this approach. I think it's really useful, and I think it adds a lot of value to the students' time here at the university. So he goes on and talks about why this is good or bad, and then the student then moves on to another one. So that's basically it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I'm in a separate video, I'm going to look at how to build one of these. So if you click on the link in the top corner and you're interested on how to build this, then please go ahead, and we'll see you very soon. Thanks a lot.